with that, we'll be proceeding with our next speaker. That is Jyoti Jain. She is the head for marketing for Shriram Auto Mall India Limited, and she is the one who's taking care of all the branding and advertising requirements for Shriram Auto Mall. She has developed different mechanisms to build up the relationships and the transparency through innovation. The central idea of her presentation and personality remains that she wants the brand to develop on relationship and innovative methods. So I would request you to put your hands together for Jyoti. Could you come, Jyoti? Hi, please.
For the nice welcome and the introduction. Okay, friends, as Thalis mentioned that, okay. So, my name is Jyoti. I head the marketing in Shriram Auto Mall India Limited. So, what Shriram Auto Mall India Limited? A brief intro. We are the pioneer in the transport industry for which catering the all sort of vehicle and segment, which belongs to the used industry. So anything which comes into your mind for the used vehicle or any sort of segment, then Shriram Auto Mall India Limited is there, which provides a various platform for all your segment needs. So let's come to the subject for we are here, the branding and marketing, which all of us are definitely involving in a day-to-day exercise, and definitely previous to me, all my friends might have shared the key pointers which helping all of you to increase the core aim of a sales in any sort of business. Right, guys? Isn't it we are doing marketing or any sort of thing to increase the sales? Right? Right, no? So may I know what is the most important factor for the sales? Anyone? What do you feel? I mean, to increase the sales, what is behind that? Anyone? Yeah, please.
Customer journey.
Okay.
Awareness.
Okay.
Product knowledge.
Product knowledge.
Customer service.
Customer service, definitely most important. Any other thing? Sale. Definitely, business runs for the sales only. But how to increase that sales? Okay, we all belong to marketing and branding fraternity, I believe, right? So what important tool you feel which is there when you are making any of marketing, budgeting, planning, your advertisement plan? What is your focus? Anyone? Fresh leads. How? How to brought more and more fresh leads? Reaching to audience, exactly. So of course, being a marketer, we need to reach out to more and more audiences, right? That is what the job of any marketer. So what should we do to reach out to the maximum people who are, who can bring to our platform to increase our sales? So, I mean, definitely there are various of things which we mentioned, but we should agree to one thing, that word of mouth is the most important tool for any of the marketer, right? No matter whatever we are doing it, word of mouth is the most important tool for any of our planning, any of our things, any of strategy which we are making. So if I talk about the word of the mouth, I mean, of course, most of the agencies, marketer, everyone agrees that of course whatever we are doing it, we need to reach out to the mind of the people, the heart of the people. Once they are, loyal to my brand, loyal to my services, definitely they will bring out more and more person. And that is what the ultimate, target of any marketer, to bring out the more and more people to my platform, so that it can eventually help me in increasing my sales, the actual core, aim of any sort of business. So, of course, it works for us as well, we being in, Shriram. So, what I'm trying to communicate here, that we all are doing lot of things. How we at Shriram Auto Mall, doing such things so that it helps us to increase our sales also. A lot of us are definitely, whenever they make any strategy, they keep on thinking what to go about it. Conventional marketing strategy or the 360-degree marketing strategy, or which tool in these strategies to implement on that. Of course, it all depends on the target audience which we are focusing on, isn't it? Every strategy cannot be implemented on every tool. We really need to focus on our customer base, the target audience, what exactly we want our customer to reach our communication. For us, conventional marketing works. I will play one small video. Can I have the sound? So, like as mentioned, the conventional marketing could help us to reach out all the successes so far which we are there. It's been a 5 glorious years since the company is started. So, of course, every company, comes up with the mindset, okay, let's do this, let's do that, to bring out to the customer. But we belongs to the transport industry where the customers are not that, educated or hi-fi, or they are, they understand all the latest technologies and opportunities which are available for all the marketeers. So, what helps us? The conventional marketing. Because the most of the customers of ours belongs to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So if I distribute my customer audience is like 30% tier 1 and the balance is tier 2 and tier 3. To reach out to those, the tools which we are implementing is the basics. Very basics, one-on-one interaction, the canopy activities, the road shows, the vehicle branding. We definitely might be thinking कि अरे आज के time में कौन ये सब चीज़ों पे focus करता है, but trust me guys, this is all what worked for us. It's been 5 years, you go to any transport person, the specific audience for our business, each and every person, you just say the name Shriram, they will tell you the story. That's where we work. That's how we have, reached our target audience. Isn't that great? Isn't it great, guys? So I don't need to spend money on the higher, the television advertisements or the newspaper ads or the hoardings or to go, any exorbitant, tools which might be, useful. But for me, my basics things is working. And definitely as our company's core values and my way of working to reach out to the customer, to bring that relationship, that transparency. Once that bridge is, created, definitely that customer will be there with me forever. If I talk about my parent company, it's been more than 3 decades. The customer are there with us. So similar ways we are also following the thing. It's not like that we are not focusing on the digitalization. I have shown in my video. Now we are also educating our customers slowly. But at first go, I cannot bombard them with the, okay, I'm going digital, I'm going this, do that. No. My customer is very basic. He would like to sit on the carpet. He would like to sit, and talk and share the things with me, which I cannot reach out in a, technological platform. But now, since the industry is changing, the economy is changing, lot of things is getting into digitalization. So that's how we are also bringing the lot of changes in the system. We have launched the app. We are also going digital. We are also using the online platform for making a buzz into the market. So all these ways is helping us to, go slowly to the aims. And of course, you have seen all the major tie-ups which we have did it. You name any banks and finance or manufacturers, all are more than happy to do a business with us. Because we at Shriram holds that market with us. The customer will not go anywhere than Shriram. Why? Because we focused on the relationship and the transparency. The customer who is coming to us, we are giving them a transparent platform to do all the deals, and we are maintaining a relationship by one-on-one, interaction or getting into their requirements directly. So that's how we are working. And of course, there are its changes. All we know how the tier 1 city customer are, tier 2 city customers are. So that I need not to explain it on that. So as I already shared that we are doing a lot of activities, of course, starting from the basics to the now the SMS also, telecalling, road shows, the other digital tools which are available. That's how these are some of the glimpse how we are doing it. We put up we go to the exact niche market where our audience will be, like transport nagars, because that is where my audience is. They are there, transport nagars, any parking lots, any dealers community, any association, transport association. So we are very much focused on our customer, and the marketing strategy is to reach out to them only directly. One-on-one. We are having a wide network. We are more than 250 events we are conducting every month, which is in a physical format, which no one does it, and which is internationally, the preferred medium. Online, definitely we are there, but all the customers will not prefer at one go online. Physical, we more than us, there's nobody is there on the platform. Apart from that, the other tools, the one-on-one, that's how the way we are maintaining the working of our business, so that we are also at par with the providing the services to the customer. So continuing the same only. So ultimately, by doing all such things, what we have achieved it, what we wanted to do. We are the #1. We are the largest player in the used automobile industry. We have all the unique bidders with us, which is increasing day by day, and we are also growing day by day with our customers, with our small steps. We are also taking the ladder to the of course, reaching it to the top and continuing it to the top. So that is what the journey with Shriram of mine, and which we will continue to do so. So would like to request all of you, so if you have any specific query or something, you can ask me now. So that's all to explain here. Yeah. All thanks to my team. We 800 people working day and night, and not only 250 physical events we are doing. We are doing 600 online events also. Every month. And we have won the Limca Book of World Record also for these two things, because none of the event agency can conduct this much of event which we are doing it. It's all great team which we have got. Thank you. Any other question? Any other question?
Why not aggressively you are using the digital medium?
We started doing it. As I shared, my customer is not that familiar with the digitalization, but as the economy is changing, they are also coming up with the smartphones. Their kids also are pushing, pops मेरे पास ये देखो ये ऐप मैंने डाला है, आपकी कंपनी का ऐप नहीं है, जो डील आप कर रहे हो आपके पास ऐप नहीं है, तो उनके बच्चे अभी पूछने लगे हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स वी आर ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग देम दी that digitalization format. So we are also there with the application, we are also available online, we have also all the transaction happening also online. It's not like that we have not started it, but yes, abhi is the time to handhold our customer. Our customers, what we are doing, we calling them to our offices, we are training them, we are grooming them, we are telling how to use the tools, how to participate through the mobile app in the auction. So all these things we have to train. So that industry is not that familiar with the digitalization. So it yet to come in another 3, 4, 5 years. So that's how we started working on those things.
So you're currently in the transport
Yeah.
used car business, right?
No, we are into used vehicle and equipment. All include anything which runs on wheel, Shriram Auto Mall is there. So 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler, auto, tempo, truck, tractor, you name it, it's there with us. And that to all platforms. Physical events is happening, online events is happening, one-on-one negotiated deals is happening, all sort of
How do
happening.
you manage the one-on-one meetings?
That's what I shared.
I wasn't there, I'm sorry.
That was all my PPT all about it. That lot of marketeers says, okay, let's go, build up the nice TVCs, newspaper ads. But what we focus on the on-ground activities, one-on-one interactions. So more of canopy activities, more of on-ground activities, going into the right places, the transport nagar, the core areas where my customer will be. So that is what I mentioned. The once you'll target the audience specifically, definitely all your customers will be with you, and you are the undoubtedly player the way we are. Yeah.
Generally, on an average,
Yeah.
out of every, if you take a base of 100 customers,
Yeah.
how many are there cash transactions and how many go through the bank?
All are cash. You won't believe, my all 250 events are loaded with cash. People are coming with the big pockets. They will give you yellow pakdo और मुझे गाड़ी दे दो अभी. That is the customer we are dealing with. Hardcore cash people. Any other question? Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to India's first corporate news channel. We invite interviews, articles, press releases from your organization. Visit our portal www.indianconventions.com. Thank you.